Hi viewers, I am explaining about rolling motion, the kinetic energy in rolling motion. Before going to this topic, I want to explain about rolling motion. What is rolling motion? Rolling motion is nothing but it consists rotational motion plus translational motion. The motion of a body, it includes rotational motion and translational motion. If you take a disc, it is moving on the surface. So this is the surface. The disc is rolling. So here the center of the mass, that is C. If the disk is rolling, the disk is rolling nothing but it is under rotational motion and under translation motion. So what is here rotational motion? The disk is rotating about this axis. The axis is passing through center of mass of the disk. So that is it is in rotational motion. It is moving like this. The center of mass is in translation motion. The center of mass in translation motion. The whole the disk is in rotational motion. So it will be like this. It will move like this. So the disk is only it is in rotational motion. The center of mass in translation motion. So the rolling motion is nothing but the disk should be in rotational motion plus translation motion. So compulsory if you want to say that is in rotational motion, rolling motion, sorry, at any instant of time, the bottom of the disc which is in contact with the surface is at rest on the surface. So always it has to touch the surface. So it has to touch the surface and it has to move like this. Touch the surface at eh, any instant time it has to touch the surface. The surface contact point should be at rest. Then only we can say that the body is in rolling motion. If it is not, if it is slipping is there, it won't touch the surface. So always we have to say the rolling motion without slipping. It means if it is slipping is there, it won't touch the ground. So at any instant of time, the bottom of the disc should be contact with the surface. At that point, the disc is at rest position. So rolling motion is not in general motion. It has to include rotational motion, translation motion. Translation motion carries center of mass and only the disk is rotating about the center of mass axis. This is the rolling motion. So at point P, this is the at center the velocity of center of mass VCM. At point P, the particle above the disk. So here the point velocity is VCM plus omega r is radius of the disk. Omega is rotational motion of rotational velocity, angular velocity VCM plus omega r. So the point P, VCM plus omega r velocity at center of mass VCM is VCM plus omega r. Here it is 0. This is the situation. Here VCM plus omega r at the center of mass VCM. This is translation. This is translation rotational motion. Here it is 0. So this is rolling motion. In the next video I want to explain about kinetic energy in rolling motion.